The hot weather has hit the UK eventually, and that means two things. You can take your brand new 2024 car on them summer road trips that you've been planning for ages. And the second thing, I don't have to wear a coat whilst at work. So today we've got the Audi A4 Avant, and we're going to be taking a look at all the features that it's got: adaptive cruise control, a 2-litre engine, and much more. So stay tuned, because we've got all of that to come. So then, this is the Audi A4 Avant Black Edition. So that means it comes with a black design pack that you get on the trims, and I'll show you very shortly. But this comes in the Mythos Black Metallic. Now this looks aggressive and sporty, but the problem I have is that it doesn't show off the black design features that you get from the Black Edition, because it blends in with the colour, and that's such a shame. I think if it goes with the Ascari blue really nicely, because it does show off them features, and you can definitely see that it's the Black Edition that you paying for. Now this comes at around £42,000 right now on the market for the Black Edition with the Mythos Black. Now that's not too bad, but what do you guys think of the colour that you get with the black design pack? So then, let's take a look at the features that you get on the front. For starters, let's check out these LED headlights. They've got the high beam assist Audi beam, and they look fantastic, LED as well. But you get the S-line front bumpers as well as this front aggressive grille that you get. Normally on the Black Edition you see this around the grille, that is the black trim that you get with the Black Edition, but you also get the S-line front bumper. It looks very aggressive from the front for the Audi A4. But what about these alloys and the side skirts? Starting off from the side then, we have a look at the alloy wheels. Now these are the 19-inch 5-arm flag design that you get on them. The diamond cut, finished in with gloss black anthracite, and the Audi Sport with the grey brake calipers. Now these look really cool and they're really aggressive for the Audi Avant. It is absolutely so long. It is about 4,700 millimeters, about that lengthwise, because it is the Avant. Is very big, and it's got the black privacy glass on the B pillar backwards. But what you do get is that, what I was meaning, that you can't really see it, is the side skirts. Now these would be the black. If I show you the Ascari blue now and the Black Edition, you'll definitely see what I'm on about, that it blends in so nicely with the Mythos Black, and it's a bit of a shame. So then from the back, I forgot to mention that you get also the black roof rails on the back as well, ready for them vacation. But you've got the extended roof spoiler, you've got the Black Edition black out logo, and you also get that on the A4 badging as well. What you also get is the LED rear headlights as well. That is got the animation. If I unlock the car right now, you'll be able to see that. Just a very simple design on that. But you also get the chrome tailpipes, and it looks quite aggressive. It's got that aggressive design on the front and also on the rear, and we'll get onto boot space very shortly. But let's go check out the inside. So then on the inside you get these gorgeous sport heated front seats. You've got the part cloth, part leather, you've got the S-line embossed. They're not electronically adjustable, they are manually adjustable, so that's a bit of a shame for the A4 Avant. But these are really comfy. You have the leg extender as well, so that's really handy, and they are really comfy. So then let's have a look at some features on the interior as well. It's keyless go, which is really handy. It's got adaptive cruise control. It's got the infotainment center, digital display just behind it as well, and that's touchscreen. You've got the 2 cup holders, this cool foldable drawer, and a center armrest that extends as well. So all quite handy. You've got it is an automatic, so you've got the automatic gear selector here, free zone climate control, and that's nice and easy to use, nice and easy to navigate on that as well. You've got radio, telephone, media. This can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. So then also you get the multifunctional leather steering wheel. Now this isn't a flat bottom steering wheel, which I much prefer. Do you guys prefer a flat bottom one or just a normal one? Because when I normally use it, when I turn it, I feel like it should be there, but on the flat bottom one it's a bit lower because obviously it's rounded off Also, you get the digital display. This can be viewed, so you've got all these different menus. But what I love is the navigation. You can see it gets a lot bigger, but if I press view, then the speedometer and the RPM goes bigger, which is a better, cooler feature that I prefer. So then hopping in the back, and as you can see, it's A4 Avant, so that means it's really big, and it really makes it nice and easy for families in the back seats. Now I'm about 5'8", so headroom, I've got loads of knee room. This seat's all the way back, so I'm still rather comfortable. You've got the Alcantara on the doors, you get that on the front as well. So I like it just on the doors, and that's the only place that you get it on the A4 Avant. Not to mention, you also get this center armrest, which is nice and easy and makes the back seats really comfortable. Not got two cup holders, but still it's nice and easy. And you also got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats, and these seats are the same as the front passenger seats. So then one of the benefits of the boot as well, it comes with the operated power tailgate. Now this can be double clicked on the key, or you can just press the button and this will open up. And you've got quite a lot of boot space. You've got the extendable boot rack there as well. Now this can hold 495 litres of boot space with the seats up. Now that is quite big, but them seats can be folded down, which gives you extra room. That gives you 1,495 rooms. It gives you an extra 1,000 litres. Now that is really handy for big trips or camping, such as shopping as well. So that's really nice and simple, and I really like the boot space, really nice and big, which it should be for the A4 Avant. So then not only is this a family car, but this packs a punch as well. It's got 0 to 62 time in 7.3 seconds, 146 miles per hour, and not to mention 201 brake horsepower. Now this can be rivaled up against the BMW 3 Touring. Now, which one out of them two would you choose? But you got to include that this is a family car, so you got to think about practicality and its power. Which one would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. So then that has been a quick review of a 40 TFSI 2-litre Audi A4 Black Edition. If you'd like to see any more Audis, VWs or BYDs, then don't forget to check our YouTube channel, or comment if you'd like to see a very specific car. But until next time, I'll see you later.